Good morning guys, today we will discuss how to install Visual Studio on your laptop. Okay, today we will how to install the Visual Studio is very important for creating web development. It's a very important application. First we go through Chrome, search Visual Studio code. It's my laptop is Windows 11 guys, so that's why I'm right here. Visual Studio downloaded for Windows 11. Okay, after that click on enter. See, first one is download Visual Studio Mac, Linux and Windows. Click on this link. After that, downloaded Visual Studio code. Here Windows for 10 and 11 is also available, and after that this is Linux system, this is that for Mac system. Okay, now we are in Windows now, is it right? Then click on Windows, it's automatically downloaded. When you click on Windows here, it's automatically downloaded. After that downloaded, it will shows like this type. See guys, it will shows like this type. Okay, this is all about Visual Studio. When we open Visual Studio, first we create file, text file is there, and after that new file, Windows, and save the file. These are all some objects in Visual Studio. This is the running logo, running and debugging logo. Okay, this is edit session and view and go and run. These are all terminals guys. Okay, next class we will discuss how to write code on Visual Studio. This is all about how to install Visual Studio for Windows. Thank you guys.